Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're actually going to be talking about how to maintain and kind of take care of your human hair extensions. And when I say extensions, I don't mean the one that you use to make your hair longer. I'm talking about this ones, like your normal bundles or your wigs that is made of unprocessed virgin human hair. How to take care of them so that you can be able to get the good use out of them. Before I jump right into the video, in case you don't know, I have a hair company myself and it's called Anjola Luxury World. I'm going to put the information to our Instagram page in the information section below, so you can always follow the link and send us a DM on, we sell different patterns, different waves, different shapes, different types, different kinds of unprocessed virgin human hair with 100% guarantee in quality. So, and we also do consultation. So if you have a particular look that you see somewhere and you want, and you really cannot explain how much bundles or what kind of hair that you would use to get that kind of look, just send us a picture of that look and we're going to give you several choices that you can be able to choose from. So without further ado, I'm just going to jump right into today's video. The hair from Anjola Luxury World, I can speak and stamp the quality of our hair. Like, our hair is like the best you can ever get in the market, and it's unlike every other hair company. Our hair is not overpriced. So if you are spending so much money investing on good hair from our company, we expect you to be able to get the best use out of it. And that's the reason why I'm coming here to make this video, so that I can share with you guys and let you see how you can even maintain your own hair by yourself and be able to use it for as long as you need to. So number one tip that I have is, do not use a shampoo that has sulfate in it. That is like extremely wrong, like wrong. No sulfate shampoo. If this hair was in your, if this hair was like your own natural hair, I would probably be recommending some vitamins right now. But because it's not in your hair and it's actually a human hair, like this hair that we wear, they come from different donors from different parts of the world. So because it's been taken out of its root, we have to take care of it in such a way that, we already know there is no way for this hair to get its vitamin. We just have to give it artificial vitamin. You understand? So one thing is, do not use sulfate, because sulfate strips the hair of its natural moisture. That's one key thing. So I always advise my clients, do not use any shampoo that has sulfate. Read the label. The one that I have right here today to show you is the one by L'Oreal Hair Experts. I hope I'm pronouncing it well. But then one thing I want you to take to notice is, it says sulfate free. So make sure every shampoo you pick for your hair is sulfate free. And there are so many ones out there. There are so many in the drugstore that is sulfate free. And I have only this one, but I can also link some other ones in the information section below, so you can be able to have different choices to choose from. And if you buy other shampoos from drugstore, some drugstores, they have some percent off on some days. Just check out their coupon magazines, and you should be able to find some coupon that you can apply towards this shampoos, so you can be able to get as much as you want. So I'd advise that however way you would pamper your own natural hair is the way you should pamper your human hair, because it is hair like human hair, so it should be pampered the same way. The only difference is there is no way for it to get that natural vitamin that comes out of your body, so you have to treat it very, very well. So please run away from sulfate-free shampoo. Another tip that I have is, shampoo, if you wash your hair, to use shampoo is okay, but I really advise that you do not shampoo your hair too often. So if you wash your hair twice a month, I'd advise you use shampoo once and don't use shampoo the other time. So the first time you're going to wash, just do a co-wash. And a co-wash means you just walking through the hair with a good conditioner. And the conditioner that I have here is by Garnier Fructis, and it's the Fortifying Conditioner Damage Eraser. You don't even have to look for a damage eraser or a damage repair kind of conditioner. If you find one, that's fine, but if you don't, a normal conditioner is fine. There are so many conditioners made with coconut oil, argan oil, and all that jazz. You can use even all those ones. The bottom line is, get you a good conditioner, make sure you soak your hair in the conditioner, leave it in for as long as you can, and wash it off. That means you are co-washing the hair. Soak your hair with the conditioner, put it in a plastic cap, or even you can even use a plastic bag, cover it up, keep it in for as long as you can, wash it off, and let it air dry. I'm gonna get to that one later. So for the first wash, co-wash. For the second wash, which is the second one in that month, you can use a shampoo. I'm gonna make another video on an actual routine for your hair, wig or weave, depending on how often you use it. I'm gonna be making another video about that. But then it depends on you. Whenever you need to wash your hair, the first wash, please co-wash only. The second wash, then you can use a shampoo, maybe, and get you a good conditioner that would work with your hair. Another tip that I have is, do not blow dry your hair as much as you can. You know, I can understand if you just finish washing your hair and you need to go to work. So I can understand that. Then you're probably in a hurry and you just need to, on a medium heat, just dry it out and, you know, get going with your regular schedule. So try as much as you can to avoid it, because this hair, it's straight right now. I can make it curly. We apply too much heat already by straightening it, by curling it, you know, that's enough heat already. So if you can stay away from the blow dry heat, then good, then that's perfect. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, try as much as you can to avoid heat. That's another key advice that I'm going to give you when it comes to maintaining your hair to get the best use out of it. Another tip that I have is, after you have washed your hair and you just want to bring it back to life in terms of, you know, maybe you want to straighten it back or you want to curl it back, you know, whatever pattern you want to put into it, I'd advise you use a good serum. And these serums are heavy. That's one thing you should keep at the back of your mind. I know people that they use their hair oil, they use the serum, they use the oil spray, you know, and I'm like, this is too much. Like, this is too much. Personally, all I do is I wash my hair, I put in the conditioner, I rinse it off, I walk around the house, it gets dry. As soon as it is dry, I just take a little bit of this, just like a pea size. Just a pea size, like when you turn it over, because I mean, I'm running out already. When you turn it over, you just squeeze it out and that's it. And the one that I have here is I almost forgot, is the Silk Element Glossing Polish Serum. And this serum says it has brilliant luster and shine. It helps eliminate freezes. It is perfect for all hair types, and it seals in the color. But the reason why I use this is I also use this for it to protect my hair against heat. So because I know I'll be going in with a flat iron or with a curling iron, so I always use this one, just a pea size, rub it around my hand and walk it through my hair before I go in with the curling iron or the straightening iron. So I use this one to just protect my hair against heat. That's just all I use this one for. So I mean, if you already have this one in, believe me, you actually don't need hair oil or anything again. The only time you would probably need Hairspray or maybe like a coil holding spray, or there are so many sprays out there, is when you have like artificial curls in. Like if you use your curling wand and you have your hair curled already, you can always just take a little bit of spray, just spray a little bit just to hold the curl. And the one that I have here is the Garnier Fructis Style Volume Hairspray. It says 24 hours hold whatever. It helps your hair against humidity and all that. It helps lift the body of the hair and all that. So yes, I use the spray, and I use very, very tiny, just very, very tiny, just one time, and that's it. That's if I have a curly hair. If you have a straight hair, you do not need any hairspray. Trust me. The only thing you need is your hair serum, or if you don't like serum, if it's oil you use, your hair oil, and that's it. I mean, using the serum, use the serum, use the oil, use the everything, you know, it's just, it is too much for the hair. And what kills the hair is, number one, you are using a shampoo that has sulfate. Number two, you are not using enough conditioner. I mean, you're not co-washing it enough. Number three, you are weighing it out with a lot of products. You're killing the hair gradually. Follow the tips that I'm giving you, and trust me, you're gonna get the best use of your hair. Another last tip for today is how you brush your hair. All you need is a body brush, something like this. I mean, you don't have to use the ones with very, very tight combs, you know, something like this, body brush, and start brushing from the bottom. From the bottom, then you work your way all the way up. Then you work your way all the way up. So start brushing from the bottom, then you work your way all the way up. That is how to detangle your hair. It would kill the hair if you start brushing from the top, then you get to the bottom and get stuck and try to get it out of, try to get your brush out of the hair. The best way is to start brushing from the bottom and make sure you brush your hair before you go to bed every night. That's one key thing, because if you brush your hair before you go to bed at night, then you don't have to even worry about detangling it the next morning. These are the tips and the advice that I have for you today. So if there's any question you have for me, you can always leave it in the comment section below. Please, if you like this video, as usual, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I think I'm around 90 something subscribers already. I know it's not much, it might not be much to you, but it is much to me. But please do not forget to hit the subscribe button as well. That would really help me a lot. I mean, I cannot wait to get to my first 100 subscribers. Yay! Then I can celebrate and look forward to the next 200. I mean, to the next 100 subscribers to make it 200. So I mean, that's life. We grow, we learn, we advance, we get better in everything we do. So yes, and I think that is all about today's video. Any other information that I have, any other tips and tricks, I'll be back again to share with you. So enjoy the rest of your day and remain blessed. Peace.